My parents died when I was a little young, and I grew up in very many hands. It was very tough. They were not giving you soap, but it doesn't mean that they were not there in the house. They were not giving it to me intentionally. That's how I gained courage to learn these kind of skills.
Hi everyone, my name is Anthony from Sawa World, and today we are at Skills Warehouse in Kampala, Central Uganda, to meet our new solution entrepreneur who's going to teach us the simple and interesting skill of making tomato chili sauce. Hope you are ready to learn. Come along, let's check it out.
Skills Warehouse deals in mostly skills on hand, like on how to make tomato sauce, tomato chili, the washing soap, a liquid soap for mopping, the bathing soap. Very many people are making chips business and it moves with tomato sauce. Then in my mind I said, can't I know how to make this tomato sauce? I tried to get people who are making it, and I got the formula of how to make this tomato sauce. Tomatoes, I normally get them in my plantation, and if they are not yet ready, I can buy from the market. If I'm buying these tomatoes, I have to buy the tomatoes which are nice looking, are ready to be eaten, not like which are yellowish. What I look for a ready tomato. First of all, you have to wash your hands to be clean. After washing your hands, you get your tomatoes, you clean them. Then after, you put them in the clean saucepan, and you clean your chilies also, like a half palm of chilies. You put a cup of water in those tomatoes, then you heat them together with the chili. Then after, you remove your chilies and the tomatoes, but you remove the skin of the tomatoes because we want the inside one. Then after, we put them in the blender, electric blender, to blend them with our chili. Don't forget, our chilies should be blended with tomatoes. We sieve the juice that we have blended. We don't want seeds, that's why we sieve that juice of tomatoes. You get a clean saucepan, you put it on fire, you heat it, then after, you put there cooking oil, 100 grams. Bring your chopped garlic, your 3 garlic that you have chopped. The reason why we add garlic, we want our tomato sauce chili to smell good. Then you put it in the cooking oil. Then you heat it until the garlic turns brown. You bring our sieved juice of tomatoes, you pour it in that cooking oil which has the brown garlic. Then you cook it, but as you mix, you have to be mixing. You add black pepper. There is the aroma that black pepper brings in our tomato sauce chili. That's why we add it there. And also we add the vinegar. Vinegar works as a preservative in our tomato sauce chili. Add salt, 1 spoon. Salt helps our tomato sauce chili to taste good. And also we are adding sugar, 4 spoons. The reason why we add sugar, we want our tomato sauce chili to be sweet. It will not be sour as you have eaten chili alone, but if you add sugar, it becomes more sweeter and good. Then we heat them until the cooking oil comes on top again. Then you remove your tomato chili on fire and you put it down. You wait for it to cool. Then after we pack and we take to the market. I started by marketing with social media platforms. I had to get a location where they will find me. So I got a location. After getting the much clients, they came and I registered the company. If you plant tomatoes, sometimes the market are down and they are buying you cheaply. Yet if you can make tomato sauce into your tomatoes, you can bring out your money even more than selling even those tomatoes. The challenges I normally face, you may make your products and they stay. And the customers you have bought like gel cans of it, you have to wait for them to finish them and they come back. I find marketing through social media platforms, and also the people who buy that product, they connect me to another one like that. Finding market, first of all, you have to remove fear in you. That shyness in you should go away from you first, because if you are shy, you will never confront a person and you say, hello, I'm selling this and this. You will be shy.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you had fun learning and are ready to start. To watch more step-by-step videos on easy to start local income skills such as this, visit and subscribe to the Sawa World YouTube channel.